Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lentil soup in an instant pot. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Make sure to rinse your lentils well under cold water to remove any debris. This quick prep ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, we'll build our flavor base. Set your Instant Pot to the sauté function and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once hot, add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 minutes until they start to soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic for another minute until fragrant. Now it's time to pressure cook. Add your rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to the pot. Stir everything together. Secure the lid, ensuring the sealing valve is closed. Set your Instant Pot to high pressure for 10 minutes. This short cooking time makes the lentils perfectly tender. Once cooking is complete, allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes. Then, carefully quick release any remaining pressure. Open the lid and stir in a handful of fresh spinach until wilted. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavors beautifully. Serve your warm, hearty lentil soup and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.